Hey guys, it's Leah Santiago, and today I'm going to teach you how to use the new Touch Magic and Effect Mix effects that came out for Halloween. So, what you will need to do is first think of a creepy idea. Don't just edit a video because you need to give it like a little creepy vibe. So in my case, I used flashlights as I'm going to show here.
Dreams are limitless. Who am I to disagree?
Hey guys, so right now what I'm going to do is I already filmed my video and saved it to private. So I'm going to click edit video. And I am going to Touch Magic. And I'm going to put Add Touch. And these are the new creepy effects. The top ones who say new. So I'm just going to use them in my video. I'm going to save that. And I'm going to use the spider webs too. Now I'm going to use the bloody hands.
Who am I?
Put them a little smaller.
Who am I to disagree?
I'm just going to put my finger all over the screen. Then do this again. And travel the world. I'm going to use this.
Travel the world. Dreams are limitless. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world.
I'm going to go to effects. And
Dreams are limitless.
this effect just gives it a little more like creepy touch to it.
Who am I to disagree? Travel the world. Dreams are limitless. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world. Dreams are limitless.
And that's how you use the new Touch Magic and Effect Mix effects. Make sure to leave a comment what tutorial you want to see next. And thank you so much for watching.